In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate shipping with Shopify, whether you're just starting your online store or looking to refine your shipping process. This guide will help you streamline everything from defining your shipping locations to setting up rates for your customers. Let's dive in and make your Shopify store's shipping experience as seamless as possible. First, we need to define your shipping locations. This is a crucial part of setting up your online store because it determines from where your products are shipped. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the settings, then click on Locations. Here, you can set your shipping origin. This is typically where your inventory is housed or the main location from where you dispatch orders. Remember, accurate information here helps calculate the shipping rates correctly and avoids unnecessary delays. Now, let's move on to creating shipping profiles and zones. Again, within your Shopify admin, head to Settings, but this time select Shipping and Delivery. Shopify automatically sets up a default shipping profile, which you can edit to suit your needs. But if you have specialized requirements, say for fragile or bulky items, consider creating a new shipping profile to cater to these products specifically. Within each profile, you can add shipping zones. These zones are essentially the geographic regions you ship to, such as different countries or states. This kind of specificity can help you manage logistics better by setting individualized rules for different regions. Now that you have your profiles and zones in place, it's time to set your shipping rates. Within each zone, you have multiple options for configuring rates. You might choose a flat rate, which is a fixed shipping cost applied regardless of the order size. This is simple and straightforward, making it easy for customers to understand what they'll be paying for shipping up front. Another popular option is offering free shipping, which can be a great incentive for customers. You can set it to trigger only when orders meet a certain minimum value or weight, encouraging larger purchases. Finally, if you're looking for accurate, dynamic pricing, consider using calculated or carrier rates. This option allows Shopify to display live shipping rates through real-time integration with carriers like USPS, FedEx, DHL, UPS, and possibly others, depending on the plan you're on. This method ensures your customers receive the most accurate shipping costs, which can be especially beneficial for international orders or when shipping large, heavy items. By carefully setting up your shipping locations, profiles, zones, and rates, you will not only enhance the customer experience, but also improve your shipping management, ultimately saving both time and resources. With just a few steps, your Shopify store will be ready to reach customers near and far with ease and efficiency. Happy selling!